Most of the patients suffering from baldness do not want to go for hair transplantation surgery directly. So they keep searching for options where they can grow their hair naturally on the bald areas. So they keep searching on Google and they keep visiting various clinics, seeking solutions. So in this video, I will try to clear most of your doubts pertaining to this topic. Myself, Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist at Regrow Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. So whether you can grow your hair naturally without going for surgery, it depends on many factors. So mainly it depends on which grade of baldness you have and your age, and if you have any other medical conditions you're suffering from. So firstly, the grade of baldness, if you are in very early stages of baldness like grade 1, 2, 3 or 4, where the hair roots are still intact, then definitely there are many options for us with which you can grow your hair naturally. So coming to FDA approved treatments, we have tablets like oral finasteride and topical minoxidil, which can make your thinned hair thicker and stronger. Other than these, we have other off-label medications like dutasteride, oral minoxidil, and low-level laser light therapy, and also some supportive treatments like PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and GFC also. So in PRP and GFC, we take your own blood, process it, and prepare a set concentrate of growth factors with which we inject into your hair roots. So with the help of these, your hair growth will be boosted up. So all these treatments together work to strengthen your thinned hair. Then if you have advanced grades of baldness like grade 5 and 6, where the hair follicle openings have got closed and scarring has already set in, then there's no use at all if you use all these medications, minoxidil and also PRP injections. All these are just a waste of money and time in those grades. So if you are in such high grades of baldness, then definitely transplantation is the only effective treatment for you. So the treatment plan always varies from individual to individual. So if you want a proper suitable treatment for you, you need to take advice of your consultant dermatologist or trichologist who can properly advise you with your treatment. I have seen some patients who keep taking PRP injections serially for 10 to 12 or sometimes 20 sessions also at a stretch. So do not fall prey to some clinics which offer you just the PRP sessions without properly addressing the root cause of your hair fall. So I advise you to consult proper qualified doctors who can give you good solutions for your hair fall problem. Thank you.